Okay, so a couple quick examples here of geometric series. Example number one, you see we're going to use the formula S sub n here in the top right. S sub n is equal to a sub 1, or our first term, times 1 minus r raised to the n, all over 1 minus r. And that is when we're given this information. We're given the first term, we're given the radius, and we're given the number of terms in the sequence. And then for our second piece, we're going to use a different formula. This time, instead of the number of terms, we're given a sub n, or the last term in this series. So we are going to use a little bit different formula where we use a sub n as opposed to n here. Okay, so this is just basic plug and chug math. So we're just going to solve for the series here is equal to plug in 5 for a sub 1 times 1 minus r is 4 raised to the n is 10, all divided by 1 minus r, which is 4. So we'll just do 4 to the 10th, which is a pretty big number. So this is equal to 5 times 1 minus 4 to the 10th is 1,048,576. Another comma there. And this is all over 1 minus 4, which is negative 3. So simplify on the inside. Now we have 5 times, well, 1 minus that becomes negative 1,048,575, all divided by negative 3. So then we would say 1,048,575 times 5. And we're going to get a negative 5,242,875. 5,242,875, all divided by negative 3. A negative divided by a negative will become a positive. And our final answer to the sum of this geometric series is 1,747,625. So again, it's just kind of quick plug and chug math. You have to be careful, especially when you are inputting this into your calculator, if you're not doing one piece at a time, to be careful about how you use your parentheses and how you input this. For this next example, it's just a different formula, same math though. Excuse me. So we have the series is equal to 15,625, which is a sub 1, minus a sub n is negative 5 times r, which is negative 1/5. And that is going to all be divided by 1 minus r, which is negative 1/5. So be careful as you're inputting this into your calculator. If I am going to input this into my calculator, I'm going to use alpha y equals enter to create a fraction, and then I'm going to put 15,625 minus, and then open parentheses, negative 5, close parentheses, open parentheses, negative 1/5, and then on the bottom, 1 minus, open parentheses, negative 1/5, and then hit enter, and it gives me, after that calculation, 13,020. So you just see quick plug and chug math with the two different geometric series formulas.